Want to earn passive income with your Polygon MATIC? Here's how to stake it safely for yield. First, make sure you have MATIC in a self-custody wallet like MetaMask or Phantom with Polygon support. If your tokens are still on an exchange, transfer them to your wallet. Next, head over to the official Polygon staking dashboard or a trusted platform like Lido, Coinbase Wallet, or Binance Earn. Always stick to well-known platforms to avoid scams. Choose validator with a good uptime and low fees. Then click Stake. Select how much MATIC you want to lock and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once staked, you'll start earning rewards automatically. Yields range between 4% and 7% annually, depending on the validator and platform. Remember, your MATIC may have an unstaking period, usually a few days, before you can withdraw. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.